Why, hello there. Welcome. Welcome to brandifilms. Here in this video, I'm going to walk you through my process of creating this extremely dewy, shiny, beautiful, warm, brown, golden, natural NARS makeup look. You may be shocked, but this is my first time ever putting together an actual NARS makeup look. The first time, okay? I have tried NARS products sporadically, sprinkled in here and there. I have never intentionally put together a NARS makeup look, and that is what we have for today's video. So if you like this makeup look that you see, and you're interested in seeing how I put it together, my personal thoughts about the products, then please keep watching. So as you can see, I officially have on the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. And I mean, like what? Oh my word. What are we even talking about right now? Like, I don't even think we can talk. Like, I don't even think we even need to talk. Like, my foundation is like doing the talking, okay? So like, I have a conversation with her. Have a conversation with NARS. Okay. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so like, NARS, this light reflecting foundation is like gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. And honestly, I feel like when I went in with this foundation, I think this is called a buffer brush. I don't really know, but when I went in with this, I feel like it just like brought everything together and just like blended it all. And like as it's starting to really settle in, I am absolutely loving it. I absolutely love the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I love this foundation. I literally feel like I know I'm super late on the bandwagon, right? Trying this out, right? But I'm like getting back into beauty, you know? So Brandy's back. So since I'm like just now getting back, I'm like, what? Like this foundation is gonna probably be super great for springtime. I don't know about for summer, okay? But for spring, you know, like with a nice breeze, like constant breeze, like not over like 75 degrees, literally the perfect foundation. Like absolutely love this foundation. This foundation is a win. Now we need to go ahead and try pairing this NARS Light Reflecting Foundation with the NARS Concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. So, Radiant Creamy Concealer, here we come, okay? Oh, here she goes. Okay, so like now we're like gonna talk, okay? Like, cause like I need somebody to talk to. This sponge looks really like, but I promise you, like for me and to me, it works really good. I need to like wet it somewhere because it's like struggling to like get up. Like it's kind of struggling. So hold on a second. 1 minute. Let me like get her together because she's struggling. Okay, she is struggling. Okay, so ooh, she is really struggling. That's okay. So let's go ahead and put on our concealer. You guys, like I am like, oh my gosh, like I do not know how to do like makeup like the professional way or like whatever. So I just like do it like how I do it. So like yeah, okay. So I like just go like this, like. Yeah, I think everybody does that, right? Yeah. Just go like that, like that. Guys, I have a heavy hand. Like, I literally have a heavy hand. Like, literally big, heavy hands. Like, really big, heavy hands. I don't know. I feel like I do use a lot of product, but I feel like I've been using a lot of product because, like, I typically, like, don't wear makeup every day. So, like, when I wear makeup, I'm like, I need it to be, like, product, okay? Like, we are using our product. So, anyway, so I'm just gonna like go in, okay, and like, yeah, to my concealer. So yeah, let's like do that, okay. Okay, so like this is like my concealer after like one little like swipe through. So I feel like I need more. I don't even think like I really need a concealer, but like I just like want to try them together, you know, and like just feel complete with like NARSy products. So yeah, let's just like add more. Like, oh, we don't need to, but we are, okay, we are adding more. And like, how are you supposed to like blend concealer? Like, I just like do mine like how I want. Like, are you supposed to like go all the way up to the waterline or like the eye line? I think it's called waterline. I don't really know, but are you supposed to go all the way up there? Like, not like, I don't know how layers supposed to go because I just like do my thing. Like, I do the Brandy thing. Just go like this, I don't want it to look like super orange though on the end. So let's like, okay, I feel like this eye is like good now, right? Like we will go in and like blend it in a second, like a little bit more, but I feel like for right now, this concealer looks good on this eye. So let's do this one. Okay, so what do we think as far as my concealer? This is no baking, which I'm not gonna be baking in this video, but like, yeah. Actually, I feel like I need a bake because I don't know if this will look right, like if I don't do that. Anyways, like what do we think? Like first glance, I love it personally. It looks really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead now with my, what I call my foundation buffer brush. I don't know if that's really what it's called, but that's what I call it. So we're going in like this, like this. And I'm just like doing this, like, yeah. Okay, so this is officially my foundation, my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation with my NARS Creamy, what's it called again? Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is what it looks like with both of those on. I'm debating on what else I should do. I kind of feel like I want to go with a very like basic natural kind of look. So I kind of feel like I am gonna bake a tiny bit like the concealer, not too much. I don't know, what should I do? Like you would already know if you're watching the video, but like, I don't know what I should do. If I should leave it as is or like, I don't know. And I kind of feel like going in and doing my brows might like mess up like my natural kind of look right now because like I'm not good at brows. So like, yeah. Actually, you know what? I just decided I'm not gonna bake it. I like it. I like it how it looks. Okay, so I did go in and very, very lightly, like extremely lightly, just like put a little color to my eyebrows here. But I just feel like I needed like a little bit of like darkness added to my face. Right now I'm trying to find, yeah, so I'm gonna go in like with this little like brushy thing on the end of another product to like brush out, I don't know, make my eyebrows a little bit more bushy. This is like what I typically do. I don't really do too much to them. Just like this. So I want them to look very like, almost like kind of messy. Like I don't want them to look like sleek. I'm not going for the sleek look right now. I kind of like this. See, very like kind of rough looking. Can you see like my brows? They're like kind of like rough looking, kind of just like there, you know, I don't know. Like, I don't know, I like it. So I'm actually just gonna go in with this Make It Last natural finishing spray. This is by Milani. It's a 24-hour finishing spray. So I'm gonna go in with this. Wow. Okay. Woo. Okay, so then for my lips, I'm not gonna do any lipstick or anything like that, just because I really do want this video to be primarily NARS Cosmetics, just me, you know, reviewing the foundation and the concealer together. So for the lips, with that being said, we are just gonna slap some oil on my lips. Since my makeup look is already extremely, extremely dewy. So I have gone in and put on some of that rosehip oil. I actually have an extremely good chapstick that I cannot find, of course, for the video. Of course I can't find it. So we're just gonna put this oil on my lips. So pretty. Oh, that looks so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. Ah, I love this look. Like, to me, this just looks extremely natural and vibrant, but like warm and dewy, of course, glossy, and just like radiant. Like, it just looks so, so radiant. I know, I'm not even trying to like NARS it out, but like, it looks radiant, okay? I look absolutely radiant, like radiant, like radiant, like radiant. Okay, so like what I need to do is like take off my head wrap and like kind of like put my hair out so like, you know, so like we can like see like what it like really looks like. So yeah, let's do that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, God willing.